Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Volkswagen Tiguan here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning on this one. So on this one, first switch your ignition on and then come to this screen in the centre of the dash. And from here, just go to the menu button in the top left and then go to vehicle. Then scroll across till you get to tyre pressure monitoring system. Now first, make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures. Then once you've done that, come down here and press set. Do all 4 tyre pressures match the required values. So once you pump your tyres up, press confirm. And then it comes up tyre pressure saved.